Good evening, Ravindra. Good evening, Ravindra. Hello. Hello, Girish.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Hi, good. I'm feeling better today. Yeah, good.
Okay.
So, yeah, I see Ravindra and Bindu have joined, and you have joined. So, anyone else to join in? Apurva has joined. Okay.
Apurva joined.
Yes.
We'll wait
Hi,
for
ma'am.
another
Good evening,
5
ma'am.
minutes.
Yeah. How many minutes more, Ravindra?
2 to 3 minutes we will wait.
Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes and let's start. All right.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Mm.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you both. Yeah.
Sir, store is ready na? Hello. Hello, sir. Nobody is listening.
Hello. We'll start, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, yes, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Great. Fine. I mean, how about your stories? Are you ready with your stories today? I think Ravindra has already sent me his story. So, yeah. So, Ravindra can read his story to everyone, in fact. And how about others? Did you happen to get time to prepare a story? Yes, no.
I think Bindu ma'am having one story.
Yeah, I heard actually Bindu asking others. So, yeah. So, Bindu, are you ready with your story?
It is, yeah, I have actually, uh,
Sorry?
ma'am, it is a kid's story, ma'am. It is a
It's
kid's.
okay. It's okay. I mean, any story, as long as your communication is good, as long as you know where to use what. So, I just want to check your grammar thing. So it's fine. So how about Ravindra? Ravindra has shared his story. So yeah, it was a good
Yeah.
one.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
where did you share that story?
I
It is
asked
not.
him. I asked him to share it on the group, but yeah, he has shared it individually.
Oh,
It's
He
my
can read it out.
it's a real fact, ma'am. That's the reason I didn't share
I
the.
would have shared you separately.
Yeah,
I
he
did.
shared it. Okay, if you want, if you want, I can show you, show it to you. I mean, I
Please.
can. No? I think, or else I can ask Ravindra to read it out to you. I mean, read to everyone, so he can read it. Let's see. Okay, let's listen to his story. Anyways,
Ma'am,
so
instead of reading, if we see that, like, we'll also come to know. So
exactly,
what he has
yeah,
written.
yeah. So yes, Ravindra, shall I go ahead and share the story on the screen?
My story, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. No.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. I think I'll share. But others, how about others? Are you people ready with your story? Girish, Apurva, Swati, Akshata, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Girish is ready. What, Girish, you're ready with your story?
Some network issue is there.
No,
For
ma'am.
you,
He's
always
ready.
when some,
He's
yeah, I
ready.
No,
know
no, no.
he's lying.
Story is getting network issues.
No. Not for me.
Okay.
No,
Girish,
your voice is
others,
some issues there.
Yeah.
It's
my
not.
voice is also breaking.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
How about now?
Not my network.
No, how about now?
Yes,
Now
okay,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
Okay, I think because I'm wearing my headphones, so most probably that could be the thing. Okay. All right.
Now it's clear. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Who's going to start? Okay, Ravindra will be. Anyways, he's ready with the story, so I'll share the story to you, all of you. How about others? Yeah, who wants to start? Bindu, you would like to start, or Girish? Who? Girish, would you like to start,
Yes, ma'am.
please? Yeah, please start.
1 minute.
Yes, I'm
1
waiting.
second. Bindu ma'am, you can start.
Someone start.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, you please start, sir. Madam, he was waiting from last 3 days.
Yes,
And he was
exactly.
asking, Madam was canceling the class every day, like that and all he was telling to me.
Who? Girish, yeah?
Yes, sir, because he is ready with this
Girish?
story. So,
Oh, okay. Girish, yeah, go ahead. Start. Let's listen to you first, then Bindu, then Ravindra, then Akshata, then Apurva, and others go on. Yeah. It's quite fast. Quick. You have to be a little quick now. We can't waste more time.
Just a minute. Continuously there is a call is coming. Because we are logging in the same mobile, no? That's the problem.
Oh, like
Calls are coming.
calls are coming.
Yes. Bindu ma'am,
sir, it
you
is
can
a
start with your story.
it is a kid story. It will be like, kiddish.
Huh.
So please,
Nothing will
please,
happen.
you
Okay, start.
Okay,
understand.
Girish, I think we have to start. Girish, we can't waste more time now. Start. Mm.
2 seconds. ರವೀಂದ್ರ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Oh,
No, okay. Ravindra, would you like to, you want me to share the screen or would you like to read it? How
I will
would you
read
like to
it,
do?
ma'am.
Okay, Ravindra. Yeah, fine, Bindu. You just listen to how he reads and let's
Sure,
see
sure.
where he goes wrong. Yeah, go ahead, Ravindra.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, in 2014, my sister got married, ma'am. After the wedding, I planned for a small trip to St. Mary's Iceland near the coastal area.
It's not called Iceland, Ravindra. Island ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Island.
Island.
Iceland ಅಲ್ಲ. S silent ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, okay. Island.
Island ಅಂತೆ. Go ahead.
Okay. Then I decided to go there. So I took my cousin Swift car and went there with my cousin brothers and sisters. We reached at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon and decided to go to Iceland by boat. After we reached that spot, all of us enjoyed that nature beauty, sea waves. We captured all the sceneries and under the hills going by boat. In that spot a little far away, a movie shooting was going on, and my cousin tried to go there, but he by slipped and fell down in the bank of the sea. He became unconscious because a small stone hit him behind his head. We were in the middle of the sea, so for a moment my mind went completely blank and got scared.
Blank.
God grace.
Go ahead. Sorry, go ahead. Go ahead.
By God's grace, there was a security who called an ambulance. He came and waited till we reached. I took him by a boat near to the bank of the sea, then shifted him to the ambulance. He was immediately taken to hospital and was admitted. The doctor started the treatment, and at the same time my parents also came, so I was relaxed. Next day he got conscious and came to a normal stage. It was a very, very bad experience in my life, and I lost my interest to go out. I couldn't stop thinking about that incident for that whole month. This is my experience in 6 years back, ma'am.
I know. Yeah, very sad. But how is your cousin doing now? Good? Better?
Yeah, better, ma'am. He's working in Bangalore also.
Okay, Bangalore only. Okay, is he not scared now? Is he not scared when he goes to the sea? Baya agalva when he goes to the sea.
No. Actually, my house is in bank of the sea only, ma'am. Arabian Sea.
Oh, is it? Okay, it's very close to the sea or what? It's close to the sea.
500 meters far away, ma'am.
Nice, yeah, very nice. No, lovely, good. Okay. Nice. Okay, so how was it? Others, see how Ravindra spoke. Very good. Good, Ravindra.
Thank you.
Nice. See, Ravindra was the only person who shared me his story actually today, even without me telling or reminding him. He has sent me that story and it was very nice. I actually edited a few things, but again, he has put some extra points and he's told. Very nice. Good, Ravindra. Keep it up. Yeah. So, yes. How about others? I'm waiting. I'm not going to take class today. If you people do the same thing, continue. Today also I'll cancel them. I'll take rest at least. Bindu, would you like to continue? Start. ರವೀಂದ್ರ ನೀವೇ ಯಾರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. You only ask someone to narrate a story.
Girish sir.
Girish, you can tell your own story. You can create a story. You can tell your experience, like how Ravindra has shared his experience.
Girish sir. Bindu ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Sir.
Bindu, go ahead, Bindu. No one is speaking, so at least you try. Come on. You speak.
It is a kid story.
It's okay. I mean, that's what I'm telling you. It's just start. You don't have to tell that. You don't have to tell that. Always remember, when someone asks you to narrate a story, you don't have to specify what type of a story it is or what story it is. It's just need to tell it. That's all. Narrate it. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, there were 4 cows lived in the forest, and every day they used to graze together, and in a particular spot. Sorry, and they were all friends. One day, a lion saw the cows grazing together at a particular spot, and the lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. And when the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with the lion, and the lion had run away. A few days
Had run away no ran away na? Had run away barala. Ran away ashte.
Okay, the lion had ran away, and a few days passed, and the cows quarreled between themselves and started grazing separately. So one by one, the lion killed all of them, all the cows.
Oh my god, okay.
That's that's all.
And what happened later? What happened? Papa ellanu size bittadu. Every cow, is it?
Yes,
Then what
ma'am.
happened? Okay, what is the moral of the story actually ಏನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ moral ಏನಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Moral is there. Moral of the story is unity is strength. So
Unity is strength.
yes, we should not what to say. Unity must be there when we are.
Okay, wherever you go or wherever you work or whichever place you work in a group or you be in a group, you should always have the unity amongst yourselves. Correct? That's what you meant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, all right. But what happened later? But see, first of all, you told me that there were 7 cows lived in a forest, and they used to go. Correct? They used to go for grazing.
Killed all
And
of them
once,
because they started grazing separately, no? Then afterwards, the lion, killed all the cows. Then what?
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. So starting they were united, so they were together, and then later on, once they felt that the lion won't come, and they made the lion run away from them.
Yes.
They felt that they were confident that it will not come back again. So they started grazing separately, and then all of a sudden the lion comes back and eats every cow one by one. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now I got it. Yeah. All right, good, Bindu. But it was nice. Yeah, I mean, it's like it's a story. That's it. I asked for a story, and you have narrated a story. That's fine. That's what I wanted. Good. Keep it up. Good.
This
Nice.
is actually made by my sister kids. So they
Oh,
taught me.
nice. They taught you this. They asked you to narrate this. Good. Convey my regards to them. Say hi to them.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, and it's not had ran away. That's all. All the cows together, they made the lion run away, not had run away. Okay, they made the lions run away. That's all. Okay, fine. Otherwise, it was good. It's good. It's a small and short story. It's fine. Yeah, nice. Okay, Bindu, point out at someone. Bindu, I need your friends to talk today. Akshita, Apurva, Swati. I don't know what you're going to tell them. You're going to make them talk today.
Because every day I keep asking them to speak. Today Ganesh is there. I think I will speak. Rakshita.
Rakshita,
is,
I think she's there.
But I don't know why she is not speaking.
Okay, I think she doesn't want to talk to. I think
Rakshita, if you are there, please tell your story. Else Ganesh is there, ma'am. You can. Yeah.
Yeah, Ganesh, where are you? I mean, Ganesh, where is he? Yeah, Ravindra, I can see. Ganesh, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು log in ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ Ganesh? I don't know which number, what number. Okay, anyways. So yes, Ganesh, you there? You please speak. Girish, I think you have to speak today, Girish. I can't give more chances for everyone to just postpone your stories. Girish, matadi.
I will tell tomorrow, ma'am.
See, there's no tomorrow, Girish. Please.
Definitely tomorrow I will reply.
Why? What happened?
Because I forgot to bring that slip from my office, which I returned.
You had written in your office, is it?
Yes, it's there in my cabin only.
Oh, is it? Okay. You
That's the
can tell
reason.
any other
Tomorrow I
story.
let me.
You can tell any other story, no? Why only that story?
I can't create the story now. Any conversation I can speak.
Okay, conversation you can speak. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Fine, all right. I'll give you a chance to speak. I'll make you narrate a story now after all these things are over. Okay, next who's going to try? Ganesh, Apurva, Swati, Akshata. Then I see two more people, Rakshita, then one more person is there. I'm not sure who is it. Yes, who's going to try? No one wants to try? Okay, I'm going to share the screen here. Okay, I have a story here. Okay, but it's in Kannada. Kanistaa idea?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. I just picked it up from somewhere. You will have to go ahead and now do this whole story in English. Let's see who's going to try. Okay. So this first thing, yeah. Try Madia, try Martira. First sentence, first paragraph, Girish will try. Okay, Girish, start.
ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ ಆತನಿಗೆ 7 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ನಾನೇ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಆತನಿಗೆ 7 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ತಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಬಹಳ ಕೊರಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Try. You have to don't translate the same thing. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, give it in your own words. ಒಂದು ಊರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
In a village, one person was lived.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಆತನಿಗೆ 7 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ತಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಬಹಳ ಕೊರಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದ, ಅವನಿಗೆ 7 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಆ ತರನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸೊ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ ಅ ವಿಲೇಜ್
there was an man.
Correct. Okay, there was a you can say there was a couple ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, there was a couple. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಹಾ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು? ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಜನ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳು? 7 ಜನ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು. ಹೇಳಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
He had 7 sons.
Children.
They had 7 sons. Okay. Okay, they had 7 sons. ಆದರೆ ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಬಹಳ ಕೊರಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು.
But they are suffering from they don't have.
ಕೊರಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಜಾರ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪದ ಏನು?
unhappy.
Not happy. No,
ಹಾ,
Unhappy.
ಬಟ್ ದೇವರ್
Unhappy
ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ
because
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
they don't
ಒಂದು
have-
ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು
they don't have baby
they
girl.
had no they had no
girl.
they had no daughter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
They had
They had no daughter. Simple ಮಾಡಿ. They had 7 sons, but they were unhappy because they had no
son, daughter.
child. ಅಥವಾ daughter ಬೇಡ. They had no girl child ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. See, ಎರಡು ತರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. They had no girl child ಅಥವಾ they had no daughter. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅರ್ಥ.
Okay.
ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತೀರಾ?
Finally,
ನಾನೇ ಓದ್ಲಾ?
ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು.
ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಬಹಳ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಾತ್ರದದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆತ್ತವರನ್ನು ಚಿಂತಾಕ್ರಾಂತನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿತು. ನಂತರ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ನಾನ
ಮಾಡಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು.
ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು.
Finally, they
ಅಂದ್ರೆ-
got a
ಹಾ, ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನಲಿ
Ma'am, instead of finally,
go.
it was at last, no? At last, when we are creating the story.
ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಫೈನಲಿ
They
ಆಫ್ಟರ್
got
ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತರಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲಿ, ಆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ.
they got a baby girl.
What a girl baby.
They give okay, after a long, okay, finally they got a baby girl or a girl child.
Okay.
Okay, fine, anything ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಗೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಆದರೆ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಬಹಳ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಹಾಗೂ
Was a immature baby.
ಬಹಳ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಾತ್ರದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೆತ್ತವರನ್ನು ಚಿಂತಾಕ್ರಾಂತರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿತು. ನಂತರ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಬಹಳ ದುರ್ಬಲ ಮತ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿದ್ಲು. ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹೆತ್ತವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನಂತರ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ನಾನ ಕೊಡಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದರು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
But the baby was
but the child was ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬೇಬಿ
was immature and oh, ma'am, what to say for sanna, what is that?
thin and was very thin, right? ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
We can also say lean, very lean, or
yeah, you can say a lot of things. Okay, was very tiny or was very thin, or you can say, yeah, but the child was immature and was very tiny or very thin. Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ what happened? ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಏನು the couple was worried. ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ.
was worried about it. Yeah.
About it, worried about it. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು
Then they
ನಂತರ
decided to decided to
ಹೇಳಿ
what we can say for Pavitra Snana, ma'am.
special place ಅಷ್ಟೇ Pavitra, you can say, then they decided to give her a special place in the family.
Okay.
That's all you cannot exactly give the meaning in English. So then they decided to give her a special place in the family because she's the only daughter and obviously they'll give a special place to her. Correct? Okay.
That type of ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
story
After that,
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು then after that all the same. Okay. Then after that the couple was worried about it. After that they decided to give her a special place. After that they thought I'm going to help. Okay, fine, I don't want to put extra. ಹೇಳಿ next ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರಾತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತರಲು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು.
What is taraturi? I don't know Kannada so much. Seriously, if I have to tell you, I really don't know.
Haribari.
Urgent.
Okay. Haribarina, taraturi andre.
Yeah, exactly. It is, Haribari. Nothing but
Haribari. In a hurry. Okay. In a hurry. Okay. ತರಾತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತರಲು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ತರಾತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತರಲು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು. ಆದರೆ ಇವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಉಳಿದ 6 ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ನದಿಯ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರು. ಇವನ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಭರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೊಡ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಭರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಎದುರಿಸುವುದು ಎಂದು ಯೋಚಿಸಿ ಭಯಭೀತರಾದರು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ತಾರಾತುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತರಲು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನ್ನ ಹರಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇನ್ನ ಹರಿ
father
sent his father sent one of his
to brought the water.
ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೇನು? ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತರಲು ಕಳುಹಿಸಿದನು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದ ಫಾದರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್
one of his son to get water.
One of his sons. ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಸನ್ಸ್ ಅದು. One of his sons. ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಆ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗ ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one of his sons ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. One of his sons to get water. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? From the
river. Ma'am, it is nadi, right?
Clean river. Yeah, from the clean river.
ಪವಿತ್ರ ರೀ ಅದು. ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ರಿವರ್.
ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ರಿವರ್, ಪವಿತ್ರ ರಿವರ್ ನದಿನಾ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್.
ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ನದಿ.
ನದಿ, ನೋ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ನದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಅದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನದಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
No.
ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ರಿವರ್.
Get water from the clean river. Okay. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವರ್ಡ್?
ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ನದಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಪವಿತ್ರ is you can say easy your ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ
ಗಂಗಾ ಜಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ ತರ.
ಗಂಗಾ ಜಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಜಲ ಅಂತ ಅದು.
ಅದೇ
ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಪವಿತ್ರ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ರಿವರ್. ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡರ್ಟಿ ರಿವರ್. ಸಿ ಪವಿತ್ರ,
Okay.
ನೀವು ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪವಿತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so you cannot go ahead and use like precious river anta helakala. Pavitra is actually precious. Okay, I mean shrestha, precious, no, you cannot. So you have to use either clean or clear river. Clear, actually clean river antane ಹೇಳೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ನು ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ in a hurry, the father sent one of his sons to get water from the clean river. Okay, ಆದರೆ ಇವನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಉಳಿದ 6 ಗಂಡ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ನದಿಯ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರು. ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಏನಂತೀರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
But all other sons went.
But
all
all
other
the
sons went along
all
with
the
him.
other 6
Other 6 sons
All other 6 sons
went
went to river along with him.
went along with him to the
River.
river.
okay, to the river. Okay, perfect. Next ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಭರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೊಡ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಡ?
ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು
ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ, ಬಕೆಟ್.
ನಾಟ್ ಬಕೆಟ್.
Ma'am, we can say pot. Pot.
Pot.
ಪಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಡಿಕೆ.
Pot.
Okay,
ಮಡ್ಪ ಅಂತ.
no, we say earthen pot. We say earthen pot. See, there's a word called
ಬಾವಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ನೀರು ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ earthen pot ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆ,
ಅರ್ಥನ್ ಪಾಂಡ್.
earthen
Pot,
pot ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಪಾಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ಪಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಂದಿಗೆ we usually use it as in English we don't have a specific word. You can say pot. Okay, you can use here bucket only. Don't use pot. Use bucket only. Okay.
Ma'am, it is Pavitra water, ma'am. How they will take bucket? How? It was pot only, ma'am.
Drum, ma'am, drum.
Okay, you put whatever word you want over there. Okay, drum it seems. I don't understand. Okay. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಪಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಮಡಿಕೆಗೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಭರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು.
ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು.
All of them in a hurry.
All pots dropped in a river.
All pots ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಟ್ ಇರೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 6 ಜನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಜನ ಮೇಡಮ್.
6 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ,
6 ಜನ 6 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 6 ಜನನು.
ಒಂದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಅವರು.
6 ಜನ ಅಂತ 6 ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಬರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರನು ಕೊಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಕೊಡ.
ನೋ, ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದಾರೆ. ಸಿ, ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿವೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ರವೀಂದ್ರ, ಒಬ್ನೇ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ನೀರ್ ತರಕ್ಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಸಿ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದು the 6 guys, you should imagine. Okay,
ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ
6 ಜನ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
They went there. They filled water in one of the ಅವ್ರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರ್ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ, ಇನ್ನು 6 ಜನ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ರು. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಹರಿ ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
those 6 sons went along with him. He only said, again he is asking, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತ that pots ಅಂತ he is asking again.
No, yeah. See, in a hurry, the father sent one of his sons to get water from the clean river, but all the other 6 sons went along with him to the river. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಪಾಟ್ ಗೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ವೆನ್, ಓಕೆ, in a hurry, ಇಲ್ಲ, in a hurry, while
filling the water.
While filling the water.
into the pot.
into the pot. ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Pot
The
fell down.
pot.
God fell down in the river.
ಯಾ ಓಕೆ. ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸುವ ಬರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೊಡ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪಾಟ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಇಂಟು ದ
River.
into the water, into the river. Okay. Next ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
Next.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು. From because of this,
Because they scared about this.
They got
Because
one second, it's the same paragraph, right? Because of this, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
all of us scared.
They got scared. ಅಷ್ಟೇ,
They
ಇದು
got
ಸ್ಟೋರಿ
scared.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. Because of this, they got scared. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ತಂದೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳುವುದಂತ
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಎದುರಿಸುವುದು ಎಂದು ಯೋಚಿಸಿ ಭಯಭೀತರಾದರು. ಈಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಎದುರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Then they thought how to face his father
Correct.
after reaching the home.
Correct. Then they thought how to
Face
hmm.
his father.
his father ಅಲ್ಲ, their father. ಅವರ
Their
ತಂದೆ.
father, sorry. 6 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
How to face then they thought how to face their father.
father
And
after
God?
reaching the home.
Yeah, their father. Okay, they thought how
After
to face
reaching
their
the home.
father after ಭಯಭೀತರಾದರು. ಅದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು? ಭಯಭೀತರಾದರು. They
After
thought how
reaching
to
the
face
home,
scared
they
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
scared about it, no?
because of this they got scared. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತಂದೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅವರು ಭಯ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಭಯಭೀತರಾದ್ರು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಭಯಭೀತರ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದೆ
ಇದೆ.
ಇದೆ
ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದರಿಂದ
ಇದೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರು
ಮನೆಗೆ
ಯೋಚಿಸಿ
ಹೋಗಿ
ಭಯಭೀತರಾದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ
ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ? ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಫಾದರ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಗಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಡ. ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಫಾದರ್. ಥಾಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ
they
ಥಾಟ್
thought ಅಲ್ಲೇ
and
ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು.
God
Scared.
scared how to
face their
face
father
their
after
father
reaching home.
after reaching home.
Home.
ಈ ತರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮುಂದೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಬಿಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ.
ಬಹಳ ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲ ದಿನ.
ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ತಂದೆ ಸಹನೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿತು.
ಬರೆದಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ತಂದೆ ಸಹನೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿದ.
He lost his patience.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
either side.
at home ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. at home the father ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
lost his
Worried. His patience.
ಸಹನೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿತು.
ಸಿ ರೀಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡ ತಂದೆ ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾರಂಭಿಸಿದನು. At home the father started to lose his
patience.
For what? ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ?
Because the sons not
yet reached.
had not yet reached ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. had not yet reached ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ hadn't yet reached ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಂತಾನು ಬರುತ್ತದು. ಇನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸಹನೆ he started losing his patience. Okay, At home, the father started to lose his patience because the sons had not yet reached or hadn't yet reached. Okay. Illinagat next. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್ ಸಾಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬ ಆತಂಕದಿಂದ ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ತಂದೆ ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶಾಪ ಇಟ್ಟನು. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ತನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ನಾನ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. ತನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾನವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂಬ ಆತಂಕದಿಂದ ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ತಂದೆ ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಗೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶಾಪ ಇಟ್ಟನು ಅವನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿ, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂಥರ ಇದ್ರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಆ ತರನೇ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್.
The father cursed his sons. One second, ma.
You can tell however you want. It will be the same any which way. So think and tell. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ತಂದೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Father thought that.
His father thought. Her father.
The father thought ನನ್ನ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಗಳು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾನವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಯುತ್ತದೆ.
Her father thought that his daughter.
You can say like
Dada
this.
will die without having that.
The father thought that his daughter will die without
having what is that pavitra snana?
Clean water.
Clean water bath.
Clean water shower.
It won't be clean. Actually, we don't say it clean. We say it as
ಪವಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ನೀರನ್ನು ಗಂಗಾ ಜಲ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸ್ನಾನ. ಇದನ್ನು
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay.
Where did you get it, ma'am?
Sacred water. Sorry, you can say sacred. Sacred. Wait. I think I'll have to change here. Machum decided to have a special place. Sacred river.
I was waiting for this word only.
Sacred river, but all the other sections okay. Nari, the photo from the water. Okay. Okay, illinda correct agide. Okay. The father thought that his daughter will die without having bath with the or from the
sacred water.
Bath from the sacred water.
Without having bath from the sacred water. Okay. Okay, the father thought the boy will die without having bath from the sacred water. Then what happens?
Holy water or?
You can say sacred holy. Correct. That's also the very good word, actually.
Yes, ma'am.
But yeah, holy is also the right word, you can say. Sacred river or holy river, actually. Yeah, holy river.
Holy.
Yeah, holy
I
water.
think they're used to in the church and all.
Yeah, correct. Pavitravada, sacred or holy. Yes, perfect. Correct. Very nice. Yeah. Good. Who told this? Ravindra, na?
Kodanda, madam.
Kodanda, where were you?
Power star.
I'm sorry, madam. Tomorrow also I can't attend the class. I'm full busy, madam. This week, office and our lab at all totally busy. That's why
Good. I'm happy that you gave a word. Yeah, I'm happy you gave a good word.
Kodanda sir, you are having one pending story to tell.
Yes. Car.
He will also tell tomorrow.
Car,
I will
yes.
tell.
Next week, tomorrow also I'll not join class, please. And
Oh God.
we already
Tomorrow
appointment.
is
tomorrow.
Okay. Fine. Now let's continue. I want to finish the story today. Okay. The father thought
Yes,
that his daughter will die without having bath from the holy water.
Holy
So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರು ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
ಕಾಗೆ
ಕಾಗೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಶಾಪ
ಶಾಪ
ಕೊಟ್ರು.
ಕೊಟ್ರು.
ಅಂತ ಶಾಪ ಕೊಟ್ರು.
The father thought that his daughter will die without having bath from the sacred water. So he
decided.
ಶಾಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ?
Curse.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Curse. So he cursed.
ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಶಾಪ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
So he listened. So he cursed ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಅವನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ.
Sons or
To become
So he cursed his sons to become what? ಕಾಗೆಗಳಾಗಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
crows.
ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ತಾನೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾಗೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಶಾಪ ಇಟ್ಟನು. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. He cursed his sons to become crows. ಓಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇದಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವನ ಮನೆಯ ಮೇಲಿಂದ 7 ಕಾಗೆಗಳು ಕೂಗಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹಾರುತ್ತಾ ಇರುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡನು.
After this incident,
he found
wait. ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಪದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೂಡಲೇ. ಇದಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ. ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ.
very soon, immediately.
Immediately after this ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
He found
he found 7 crows on his
flying
house.
together.
Yeah, immediately after this he found 7 crows. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾರಾಡ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೂಗಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹಾರುತ್ತಾ.
Yesterday only Mahalaya Amavasya.
Oh my God. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Coincidentally, the same story is
7 crows flying and
flying and
right?
flying and
Immediately after
ಕೂಗಾಡುತ್ತಾ
he found 7 crows
shouting.
shouting. Okay.
Shouting ಅಂದ್ರೆ crowing ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, fine. 7 crows
Crying ಅಲ್ಲ?
on his house.
Crowing. We say crowing or cawing. We say a lot of things. Okay. Shouting ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
Above his house.
Above his house. Immediately after this, he found some flying above his house. Okay.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ತಮ್ಮ ಶಾಪವನ್ನು ಹಿಂತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗದ ಹೆತ್ತವರು. They were unable to
revert back the
revert till ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Back.
Unable to take back the curse. They were unable to take back the curse. Okay. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು? ಕಳೆದು ಹೋದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ
ಮರುಕಪಟ್ಟರು.
What is
ಮರುಕ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರ?
ಮರುಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ felt bad.
Okay. They
felt bad because they lost their
sons. A lot. Felt
bad.
They suffered a lot. That also we can say, no?
Yes. They felt very bad, or they suffered a lot, or they felt very sad. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. They felt bad because they lost their sons. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ನಂತರ
ಬಲಾಢ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು
ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಆ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು
ಮರೆತರು. But
the girl child,
don't translate the way it is in Kannada. Exact ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು.
ಆದರೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಬಲಾಢ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುವುದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಆ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ಮರೆತರು.
But they felt happy because their girl child.
They felt happy that their daughter was
growing strongly.
Yeah, correct. Was growing strongly
And beautiful.
and was and beautiful and was looking beautiful and started looking beautiful. Started.
Okay.
See, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗ.
Beautiful and they forget that.
And yes, correct. See, grown strongly and started looking beautiful. From this, from this they ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮರೆತರು. Yeah, from this they
forgot their
pain.
Okay.
ಬೇಜಾರು.
Ma'am, we already used there. They felt happy that they felt happy. We used there. So again, the same thing will come in the sentence. If you use
where it came, ma'am.
So starting
They felt happy that their daughter was growing strongly. Again,
not use,
No, where exactly have used?
Ma'am, then felt
is right only, no?
See, I have written they felt bad because they lost their sons, but they felt happy that their daughter was growing strongly and started looking beautiful.
Ma'am, why we have to use this? From this they forgot their pain. Already we used here, they felt happy.
Okay, clauses.
No,
but they
in
felt
that sentence there is a
there's a meaning. There is a meaning. No, it's not because of the sentence. Let me be very clear, Bindu. I'll correct a wording. They felt happy because, see, first of all, their daughter was not very strong or nothing. Because of that sacred water which was given to her, or which she took bath from, right? Which was given to her, then only she started becoming strong and she started looking beautiful. So what happened? They lost their sons, but they felt happy that daughter was becoming strong. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳದು ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು they were happy. ಅವಳು ಅದು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಳು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಮರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That is the meaning it shows here. You understood?
Can you please scroll up? I will just read that Kannada.
Yeah. Okay. ಕಡೆದು ಹೋದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ
Ma'am, see, you can see here our ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ಮರೆತರು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. See, whatever we have written there, they forgot their pain. That is fine. But why we have to write that they felt happy?
What is ಮರುಕು? Okay, ಕಡೆದು ಹೋದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಮರುಕಪಟ್ಟರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಮರುಕಪಟ್ಟರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Felt bad, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
They felt bad. Okay, otherwise I have to change here. What I will do is they felt bad. I'll remove this. They felt bad because they lost their sons, but they felt happy that their daughter was growing strongly and started looking beautiful. From this, they forgot their pain that they lost their son. Andre, illa idin en martini gotta? I'll change it and I'll put it here. So, they felt happy and lost their and forgot their
pain.
See, it will not make any meaning. It will not give you any meaning. You cannot do that. Okay, our head, hinge helbodu. They were unable to, they felt bad because they lost their sons. Okay, but they felt happy that their daughter was growing strongly and started looking beautiful. Okay, I'll change it here. Looking at her, they forgot
their pains.
Their
Pains.
pain. They forgot their pain. Looking at it, they forgot their pain, or they forgot their sadness. You can also say like this. You forgot their sadness. See, there are times when you have to do it like this, because this gives you completely a different meaning, because you're talking only about the daughter's growth and health. Here they're talking only about that. So they feel happy about it. But here, only because of looking at their daughter's happiness, they have forgotten the pain of losing their sons. ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡತಾರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಿಂದು?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. No, I understood.
You can put however you want. I'm happy with that. Whatever you said was also fine with me. But it's just that because it's given in the story, I'm just maybe making it like that.
ಬಹಳ ದಿನದವರೆಗೆ ತಾನೆ.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
You can send. We'll try to do it.
Yeah, ಬಹಳ ದಿನದವರೆಗೆ ತನಗೆ ಸಹೋದರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂಬ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಜನರು ಅವಳ ಅಣ್ಣಿಂದರ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದುದು ಕಿವಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಬೇಸರಗೊಂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣನದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಳು. ತಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ದಾರಿ ಕಾಣದೆ ಆ ದುಃಖತಪ್ತ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದನು. ನಂತರ ಆ ಕುಮಾರಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣಂದರನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಿ ತರಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದಳು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ತನ್ನ ಹೆತ್ತವರ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ಉಂಗುರವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣಂದರನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿಸಲು ರಹಸ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಬಿದ್ದಳು. So the story is very nice actually. I mean, you can try. Would you like to try, or should we continue in the next session? How do you want to do it?
We'll continue, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Girish is actually absconding from whatever work I'm giving, right? So this is an assignment for all of you.
Sorry, I'm not absconding, ma'am.
Okay, I'm not absconding. I
am the learner. Still, I am the learner.
You have already learned so much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this with you. You people are going to do this and you're going to send it to me in the group. If not, in the next session, I want you people to read it for me, the story.
Okay. We'll continue tomorrow, ma'am. Same. This
tomorrow.
But anyways, tomorrow I'll let you know. Okay, so today I'm going to send this. I need your responses for this. I'm telling you. I'll share it with you right away. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you. Okay? Yeah. Good night.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Bye.